Hi guys, what's up? It's Olivia.
And Mathilde.
And welcome back to the Picsart YouTube channel.
Today we're bringing back another movie poster design challenge. We're going to be redesigning the poster for It Ends With Us, Twisters, and Inside Out too.
It's Tuesday right now. We're going to circle back on Thursday and show each other our posters. We're also going to put them up on our Instagram story so you guys can vote which posters you like the best to see who wins. Are you the most nervous to recreate?
Oh, honestly, probably It Ends With Us, just because like it has such a cult following of like fans, and I feel like if I mess up the aesthetic, book talk is gonna like come for us.
I'm actually kind of nervous for Twisters just because they're like running and there's action and everything.
Okay, well, I'll see you on Thursday.
Yay!
Bye.
Bye! I'm a huge fan of Inside Out, everything Pixar, everything Disney. I wanted to try to make my poster as similar to the original, so I started off with a plain black background. There's a bunch of different stickers with all of the Inside Out characters. Because none of the stickers were exactly the same to the characters on the Inside Out 2 poster, I picked out every single sticker that I felt properly represented each character, and I put them in the same exact order as they are in the original Inside Out 2 poster on mine. I also messed around with layers so that some people would be in the front, some people would be in the back, and you don't have to use the erase tool for that, which is amazing. As for text, I use Horizon BT, which is a fairly similar text to the original. I honestly couldn't really tell a difference. I just adjusted the formatting and the spacing so that instead of centered, it was all on the right side, which is similar to the original poster. And then I added the Disney Pixar sticker and movie credit stickers to top everything off. I don't know, I feel like this is pretty similar to the original, but let me know what you guys think.
I wasn't too sure on what to do for this poster, so essentially what I just started off with was going on stickers and searching up Inside Out just to see what we had to work with. I am very excited we already got the logo, so I just put that in. And I also obviously needed the characters, so I just started adding the stickers of the characters, the ones that I think match their personalities the best. It started to look a little bit messy because they were all over the place, so I had the idea of just erasing the characters around the logo, creating this kind of border type thing. And once I was happy with that, I just went ahead and started editing the background. I just chose this like purpley dark bluish shade, feeling like it was pretty boring, so I went over on stickers again and I just searched up for gradient, and I'm using this blue gradient to kind of create a little bit more of an effect. And obviously I added some shadows to the characters to make them stand out a little bit more. Super simple again. For the rest of the steps, I just typed up when they're going to be on cinema, experience it in IMAX because that's what it said in the original poster, and this is what the final product looks like.
It Ends With Us was definitely the least favorite of mine that I had made. I wanted to recreate the It Ends With Us poster, but with myself, so I started off with a black background. I went to add photo and I found the closest thing I could find to a side profile of myself. I actually couldn't find any purple flower stickers that I liked, so I went into AI Replace and I typed in purple flowers. I added all of the text and I used the font Impact, which I feel like looks pretty similar to the original. I also added the movie credit stickers. I just feel like the sticker always pulls everything together if you want to recreate a movie poster or create your own. And then I added the filter natural one and I put the setting on multiply just to give a little bit more texture and a little bit more depth. This is definitely not one of my favorites, but it's okay.
Okay, so for the It Ends With Us poster, I found this picture from a behind the scenes still, and I think this looks very cute for the poster because I feel like the original poster doesn't really like tell you much about the story. I'm gonna use the remove tool to remove the boom that's at the top, and then after that I'm gonna duplicate the layer and remove background so that I can edit the background to make it look a little bit more red tone-ish. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these lilies because I think that in the book and in the film she has a flower shop, something to do with lilies. Colleen Hoover fans, don't come for me. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the logo, and the rest is just pretty simple for this one. I'm just gonna write the actors' names, when it's in cinemas, and I'm gonna add the little we love, we break, we pick up the pieces. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with this one.
As for Twisters, this took me so long that my screen recording gave out midway when I was editing the photo and I didn't even realize, so forgive me guys. I went into AI image and I typed in wheat field with cloudy skies hyper realistic. I went to AI enhance just to crisp up the image, and I actually used a film black and white filter to make the sky look a little bit more gray and everything more dull because this is a Twister. I went to stickers and added a gray truck. I went into add photos, I took the original poster and I selected person so that it was only the main characters. I added a Twister sticker, and then I found a similar text to the original, and there you have it. I feel like for AI, this looks pretty similar to the original, if I do say so myself.
Twisters. I'm actually pretty nervous about this one because I have a vision, and hear me out. So there are two posters that I've seen a lot for each of these films, one of which has this really cool hurricane behind it with like fire, and the other one just has like a really nice cool picture of them on top of the truck. And my idea is to merge them. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the first picture and just use the remove tool to get rid of the actors' names from the producers of Jurassic Park, the title, honestly, even the actors down. I just wanna make the image look as plain as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and import the other poster, and I'm just gonna click remove background and add the truck and characters into this. And I wrote in theaters in July, the actors' names from the producers of, and then I just imported the Jurassic Park logo. And honestly, I kind of like this poster a little bit more than the original one, I'm not gonna lie, because I think it just looks a little bit more intense.
Hey guys, we're gonna start off with It Ends With Us. I really like what you did because you just like took the original and like took a different photo. This is a beautiful photo, by the way.
I kind of love it, and I would love to like see other people put themselves like as posters.
It was so easy, like anyone can do it. So guys, if you do it, tag us because I want to see. It's probably
I really like this, and I really like that you did the like credits and you put that on top. I think it makes it look like very serious and like movie poster.
Shall we do Inside Out? Yours looks so good. Yours looks so good.
You made the logo?
Yeah, so the logo is just like text that I found.
Genuinely, I thought this was, when you sent it in, I thought you just sent like the actual poster, because this looks like the actual poster. Like, it's really good.
I really want to know what you did for this Twister poster because it looks so real.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
And I just merged those two together.
Mine is completely different. I used AI image for the background.
The way that like you edited the colors of the background, like it actually looks like the color grading from the film.
I think the black and white filter helped a lot. These were super fun, and I'm excited to see what people think on Instagram stories. So go vote, guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, you can subscribe because we post videos like this
Mondays and Wednesdays.
And follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.